Imagine this. You lose your phone charger. You know it's somewhere in your room, but you just can't find it. You check the bed, you check the table, you check the bag, 20 minutes gone. Now imagine shouting charger and it flies straight into your hand. That is exactly what Azure Data Lake Storage does for company data. No more searching through 10 different places. In this video, I will explain Azure Data Lake Storage using very simple example from this PPT. So the real problem, meet Shara. Shara sells coffee online. One day, her boss asked a simple thing. Which coffee flavor sold the most last week? Sounds easy, but for Shara, it's a nightmare. Sales number are in Excel sheet. Website clicks are in Google Analytics. Instagram ads are in Facebook Ads Manager. Customer feedback is in Gmail. Thousands of email. Shipping data is in delivery app. Five different systems. Sarah spent 3 hours just collecting data. And the answer is vanilla. Simple answer. Half her day wasted. So you feel the pain. Now think about your childhood. You had toys everywhere. When you couldn't find your favorite toy, you cried. Now imagine a magic toy box. It collects all toys automatically. It organizes them perfectly. You say red car and boom, it's there. Azure Data Lake Storage is exactly that magic box for company data. In simple word, it's a use organized cloud space where companies dump all their data and find anything in seconds. Ever noticed how Netflix recommendation feels so accurate? Here, why? Netflix tracks every show you watch, every pouch, every escape, every rewatch, even what time you binge. For 230 million people, that billions of records. Where does all this data go? Azure Data Lake Storage. Netflix AI analyzes this data, matches user with similar behavior and creates your personalized list. Without a data lake, Netflix would just show random content. How does it work? Let's understand how it works using Uber. Every second, Uber tracks driver GPS locations, trip routes, payments, ratings, traffic, and even weather. Millions of data points every second. All of this flows into data lake storage. Here's the magic flow. You request a ride, data goes to lake instantly. Uber searches millions of driver, find the closest one in a half a second. Driver arrives. Without data lake storage, Uber would crash. Too much data, too fast, impossible to manage. Why it's amazing. Now let's see why Azure Data Lake Storage is amazing. Reason 1, it never gets full. Your laptop says a storage full. Data lake starts small and grow forever like a magic backpack. Reason 2, lightning fast. Old way like searching data takes hour. Data lake find data in seconds. Reason 3, save use money. Hiring people to organize data is expensive. Data lake does it automatically. Reason 4, access anywhere. Office, home, beach, work from your laptop, phone, anywhere. Let's recap. What is Azure Data Lake Storage? Azure Data Lake Storage is a giant smart warehouse in the cloud. It stores all data, finds data super fast, saves money, scales forever, stays secure. Remember Shara and the coffee report. Before, 3 hours wasted. And after using Azure Data Lake Storage, answer in 30 seconds. That's the power of data lake. And who uses it? Netflix, Spotify, Uber, Instagram. If your data in 3 plus places, you need data lake. Thank you.